Okay, it's Thursday, January 19th. This is a pre-open SPY report about 15 minutes to go before the open. You can see here the pre-market range between the blue lines is already kind of below yesterday's low. When you saw that big red bar, you kind of anticipated that you were going to at least break that low. Now the question is, as we watch the 1 minute, futures here, pre-market, they're kind of hovering near the lows. So since it's going to be kind of a gap down here, I don't necessarily love the continuation. I'd rather see kind of a pullback and then a rollover kind of trade, but you never know what's going to happen on the 15-minute chart. In terms of where we're heading, we're here at the lows. We should be taking, today's Thursday, we have tomorrow, Friday, to take out that low down here. So that's like the 386 area. So it's not much below here. If you look at kind of the chart, if I put up where the weekly low target is, it's right there at that yellow line. So if we just kind of break below here, which you're anticipating, then we should hit our weekly target. And that's really all the market has to do this week, whether we get a lot of follow through to take out that monthly purple line, which will turn the monthly chart back to red. We'll have to find out what kind of day unfolds today. But if, again, we look at kind of the 15-minute opening price action here, just broadening it out, that's kind of our pre-market range. So unless, even if we kind of probe up near these highs, we'll expect it to roll over, because as long as we stay below the midpoint of yesterday, which is right here on the daily chart, then we're kind of just biased to the downside. So there's a lot of targets down here to hit. We're gapping down. That's a little sometimes tricky to get a lot of momentum, but you never know. We'll see how that 15-minute chart unfolds today. Ideally, it would be more of a green to red kind of move to get us short, but if we get weakness right out of the gates, you'll have to go for it, and at least to that, if you can get in before that weekly target, which I believe is right around here, that is pretty high probability that's going to be hit. So any short trades down here, at least you should get that, and then you'll have to see whether we get continuation or that might be some pause area. You never know. But anyway, we'll buy buys to the downside all day and just kind of see how structure unfolds.